Thursday, December 1st, the fire alarm was at 2:56 a.m. and this is just another fire alarm directed at myself and my husband by the criminals who are being supported by the police, the fire department, and CSU and TCHC management and administration. They are angry about our marriage, and they are, and this is their form of illegitimate protest. They want to pull the fire alarm and engage in other types of harassment. And of course, they have the green light because it's state sanctioned.